One bright afternoon, a child named Noah sat at the kitchen table with wide, curious eyes. Noah loved asking questions. Why did bubbles pop? Why did colors mix? Why did some things float while others sank? Noah didn't know it yet, but these questions made him a scientist. A scientist was someone who explored the world by asking questions and trying safe experiments. Safe experiments were simple activities done with grown-ups, using everyday items and careful steps. Experiments were not about making big messes or loud explosions. They were about learning how things worked. Noah's grown-up placed a bowl of water on the table. "Let's explore," she said. Noah gently dropped a spoon into the bowl. It sank. Then he placed a leaf on the water. It floated. Noah learned that some things were heavier than water and some were lighter. This was a safe experiment that helped Noah understand floating and sinking. Next, Noah used food coloring and a cup of warm water. He watched as the color spread and danced through the water. He didn't stir it at first. The color moved all on its own. Noah learned that warm water helped colors move faster. He kept his hands clean and listened carefully to instructions. Later, Noah mixed baking soda and vinegar in a clear cup. Tiny bubbles fizzed and popped. The bubbles were gas escaping into the air. Noah stayed back while the grown-up poured and watched with excitement. This experiment showed how new things could form when safe materials were mixed together. Noah also learned about magnets. He tested which objects stuck and which did not. Paper clips jumped toward the magnet, but wooden blocks stayed still. Noah learned that magnets pulled on some metals, but not others. Safety was always important. Noah wore old clothes. He never tasted anything during experiments. He washed his hands after every activity. He listened and followed rules. Safe experiments meant learning without getting hurt. Outside, Noah watched shadows change as the sun moved. He measured shadows with chalk and saw how they grew longer and shorter. Science could happen anywhere, even outside in the sunshine. Noah learned that experiments helped him understand the world. They taught him patience, observation, and care. Being safe meant being smart and kind to himself and others. At the end of the day, Noah smiled. He felt proud. He had explored, learned, and stayed safe. Science wasn't scary. It was exciting, gentle, and full of wonder. Noah drifted off to sleep, dreaming of bubbles, colors, magnets, and floating leaves. Tomorrow, there would be more questions to explore.